Hey cruisers! Are you looking for advanced cruise hacks, insider cruise tips, or how to cruise like a pro? You've mastered the basics, you know your way around the buffet, and you've even survived a muster drill. But now, it's time to level up. It's time to cruise like a maniac. You're in the right place, because today, we're revealing 7 advanced cruise hacks that smart cruisers use to get the absolute most out of every single voyage. Get ready to transform your next cruise from great to absolutely legendary. First up, let's talk about strategic cabin selection. This isn't just about picking a balcony or an inside room, this is about precision. Smart cruisers know their cabin choice can literally make or break a trip. Don't walk away from a perfect cabin because you didn't do your homework. For motion sickness, aim for midship and lower decks. That's where the ship's movement is least felt. Want peace and quiet? Avoid cabins directly above or below noisy public areas like the main dining room, theater, or galley. Check those deck plans carefully. And think about access. If you spend all your time by the pool, maybe a cabin on a higher deck near the Lido is perfect. If you love the spa, look for something close to that area. Understanding cabin categories beyond just the view is key. Sometimes, an obstructed view balcony can be a steal if the obstruction is minor, like a lifeboat that's barely noticeable. Or a guarantee cabin might save you money, but you lose control over the exact location. A true cruise maniac knows exactly where they want to be before they even book. Next, let's talk about maximizing your cruise line's loyalty program. This is where you really start to feel like a VIP. Don't leave freebies on the table. Every major cruise line has a loyalty program, and if you've cruised with them before, you're likely already earning points. These programs offer incredible perks as you climb the tiers: priority boarding, complimentary laundry, free specialty dining, exclusive lounge access, even free cruises. But here's the advanced hack. Did you know some cruise lines offer status matching? If you have high-tier status with one cruise line or even a hotel chain, you might be able to get a comparable status with another cruise line without having to earn it from scratch. Always check their policies. It's a fantastic way to unlock premium benefits faster. Make sure you're signed up, track your points, and understand every single benefit available to you. It's literally free money and perks waiting to be claimed. Always pack a small foldable duffel bag. It's perfect for bringing home souvenirs, dirty laundry, or anything extra you accumulate without having to buy an expensive suitcase on board. Debarkation day can be chaos, but not for smart cruisers. This is about debarkation day domination. Smart cruisers make debarkation day smooth and stress-free. You have 2 main options: traditional debarkation, where your luggage is collected the night before, or self-debarkation, where you carry all your own bags off. For the ultimate stress-free exit, consider self-debarkation if you can manage your luggage. You get to leave the ship much earlier, often before the main crowds, giving you a head start on your post-cruise plans. Always pre-book your airport transfers or have your rideshare app ready. Don't wait until the last minute. If you have a late flight, research day rooms at nearby hotels or look for excursions that include airport drop-off. This hack ensures your vacation doesn't end with a headache, but with a seamless transition back to reality. Here's a hack that saves you money and keeps the cruise dream alive: future cruise. Booking on board. Don't walk away from exclusive onboard booking deals. Almost every cruise line offers incentives to book your next cruise while you're still on the ship. These often include reduced deposits, significant onboard credit, or special discounts that you simply won't find once you're back home. Even if you don't know your exact dates or destination, you can often book an open booking or future cruise certificate with a minimal deposit. This locks in the perks, and you can usually apply it to any sailing within a certain time frame. It's a no-brainer for anyone who knows they'll be cruising again. Plus, it gives you something exciting to look forward to as soon as you step off the ship. It's the ultimate smart cruiser move to extend your vacation value. Ready to elevate your dining experience? This is about specialty restaurant hacks. Smart cruisers know how to get more from specialty dining. While the main dining room is great, specialty restaurants offer a premium experience. But here's the secret. Most of them allow you to order multiple appetizers, multiple entrees, and multiple desserts. Don't feel limited to just one of each. Want to try 2 different steaks? Go for it. 3 desserts? Absolutely. Also, don't be afraid to ask for off-menu items if you have dietary restrictions or a special request, within reason, of course. Some ships even offer exclusive chef's table experiences, which are often hidden gems that provide an intimate multi-course meal with wine pairings and a tour of the galley. These usually require advanced booking and come at an extra cost. But for a true food enthusiast, they're an unforgettable experience. Maximize that culinary adventure. Every ship has its secrets, and smart cruisers know how to find them. This is about discovering hidden ship areas. Don't miss out on the ship's best-kept secrets. These are often quiet lounges, secluded viewing decks, or even entire sections of the ship that most passengers never discover. Look for doors marked crew only that might have a small sign saying deck access or observation deck. Often, the very front or very back of the ship on lower decks can have public outdoor spaces that offer incredible, unobstructed views without the crowds of the main Lido deck. These are perfect for enjoying a quiet sunrise, stargazing, or just escaping the hustle and bustle. Sometimes there are even small, unmarked lounges with comfortable seating and great ocean views. A little exploration with your deck plan can lead to some truly magical, peaceful moments that most people miss. Our final advanced hack is all about a smooth exit, packing for debarkation. Smart cruisers pack strategically for a smooth exit. The night before debarkation, you'll typically put your main luggage outside your cabin door to be collected. But what about everything you need for that last morning? This is where your debarkation carry-on comes in. Pack a small bag with essentials, your pajamas, toiletries, medications, a change of clothes for travel, your passport, wallet, and any important documents. This way, you're not scrambling in the morning, and you have everything you need until you reunite with your main luggage. It sounds simple, but it makes a huge difference in reducing stress and ensuring you're comfortable and prepared for your journey home. It's the mark of a truly organized and smart cruiser. So there you have it. 7 advanced cruise hacks that will transform your next voyage and have you cruising like a true maniac. From strategic cabin selection and leveraging loyalty programs to dominating debarkation day and finding hidden gems, these tips will make your next cruise unforgettable. If you found these hacks helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe for more cruise tips and tricks to help you cruise like a maniac.